Looking for a way to get around town that's both eco-friendly and fun? Check out the Starrun R26 electric cycle. It's the perfect way to get your daily dose of exercise and save money on gas. Welcome to Enoylity Technology, your place for the latest tech review and concept render. And before moving further, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. From city streets to mountain trails, go anywhere with this Starrun R26. The Starrun Ebike is a sturdy and reliable electric bike that can carry up to 330 pounds. The frame is made of high-strength aluminum alloy and is welded into a one-piece frame, making it much safer than most electric bikes on the market. The 48-volt 15-ampere-hour battery and 48-volt 750-watt motor provide a range of up to 35 to 45 miles in electric mode and 50 to 60 miles in auxiliary mode. The battery is embedded and removable, so you can charge it directly in the frame or remove it for charging. The bike is ergonomically designed for comfort. The unlockable shock fork can be turned on or off, and the Shimano 7-speed shifter allows you to choose the right gear for the terrain. The seat is made of thickened leather and the handlebar is adjustable, so you can find the perfect position for a comfortable ride. The Starrun e-bike is also very safe. The front and rear disc brakes provide safe and progressive braking, while the bright headlights and taillights, as well as multiple reflectors, allow you to ride safely at night. It also has a 48-volt 4.5 by 4.5-inch headlight and LED taillight for better visibility at night. The front wheels, rear wheels, and foot pedals are all equipped with reflectors. The Starrun e-bike can meet the needs of many people and many riding needs. The 26-inch by 4.0 puncture-proof tires, 750-watt motor, 15-ampere-hour battery, shock-absorbing fork, and shock-absorbing seat make it a great choice for young people who want to go off-road. The low span frame and thickened leather seat make it a comfortable ride for women and older people. The leather rear seat and backrest make it a great choice for people who need to carry passengers. The rear seat can be easily removed and replaced with a rear basket. The frame can also be installed with a cup holder. The rear basket and cup holder need to be purchased separately. Overall, the Starrun e-bike is a versatile and reliable electric bike that can meet the needs of many people and many riding needs. It is a safe and comfortable ride that is perfect for commuting, running errands, or going on adventures. So this is everything about the Starrun R26. I hope you like this video. If so, do hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comment down below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.